Hi guys, thank you for tuning in on Slikhaar TV. My name is Csobán and here we have Andres at the studio.
Hello guys.
We're still going on with giving away this full package of the favorite products. As you can see, SIDEKICK, Dynamite Clay, Silver Fox and Gold Digger. You don't have to do anything else than subscribe for the channel and leave a comment in the comment section down below. But today's hairstyle is going to be Paulo Dybala inspired haircut, so it's going to be nice. Stay tuned.
Ganja smoking, they got rum in me cup. Bad girls wind up on the dance floor. All the girls wind up on the dance floor.
Well guys, as you can see now we're done with the haircut. I made an undercut all the way up here. I started the fade with 3mm and fade up until 13. In the back it's smooth transition. On the top we had to thin it out a lot, make it texturized because he had a really thick hair. But what do you think about the haircut, Andres?
I think it looks really awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Guys, remember for the competition, don't miss that. Subscribe and leave a comment down below. See ya.